YouTube, what's good with y'all boys? We back for another video, man. Hopefully, hopefully y'all enjoyed the last video. But I'm sitting on two recap vids that I really don't want to drop because one of them, my ass was falling asleep halfway through the video, so I'm really half aware of what I'm doing. We broke even on that trade, so it really wasn't even shit to document. I really didn't even have a trade bias, to be honest. I was half asleep again, so I was just like, man, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can cook up something real quick. But good thing we broke even. It didn't take a loss because I would have been pretty upset. But anyway, today's video, man, I just want to talk about a new strategy I got. I won't call it a new strategy because it's pretty known. London manipulation, New York reversal, or New York continuation. You know what I'm saying? And the other day I took a trade soon as London opened. I longed London open and I went to sleep. And I woke up and it's like $1,500 in profit. But that's only because, you know what I'm saying, New York session had already opened. And it was like 9:15 when I woke up. So obviously New York had this reversal and came down. So as soon as this computer get booted up, I'm gonna start the recording for the charts, and we're gonna jump into it. You know what I mean? Let's get busy. But anyways, man, yeah, this is the video that I'm gonna talk to y'all about because it's kind of a new strategy, but it's not really a new strategy. So as soon as this, like I said, as soon as everything low, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get busy, and I think we're good to go. So I start the recording now. So alright, I think we good. I think we good to go. So hopefully y'all can see the chart footage. And yeah. But anyway, London manipulation, New York reversal, or New York continuation. Prime example right here, because this is the trade that I took the long position on. Don't know if I showed y'all, but I did take it on a demo account. But who cares? You know what I'm saying? The technicals is still in your face. You can see. You know what I'm saying? But there is the demo trade. We made 1,300, well, 1,400, 1,396. You know what I'm saying? But again, it doesn't really fucking matter how much I made because it was on a demo account. And I'm gonna be transparent and tell y'all, I didn't want to take it on my funded account or a live account because again, I didn't know if it was really gonna work for real. It's just a pattern that I've been seeing, and it's a pattern that everybody talk about. So I wanted to see if I could capitalize off of it for myself. You know what I'm saying? 2 o'clock. Okay, I'm just looking at the time. Got some things to do at 3 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do this for y'all real quick. Hopefully I can get everything downloaded so I can edit it. I can really edit it on the go. But you know what I'm saying? So here we are. London session is the blue box. So boom, we got Sydney and Tokyo session lows right here overlapping. London opened with this yellow candlestick right there, right? Boom. Soon as London opened, I'm watching it. I see we went down and took out Tokyo open and Sydney session overlap. So once London came down, took out them lows, I waited for the first bullish candlestick, you know what I'm saying? And of course, the first bullish candlestick was a massive bullish engulfing. So I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I entered that bit, took it all the way up here. I didn't close up here because I was asleep at this point because this is 7:30 in the morning. I woke up about 9, which is right here, which is where I closed the position. Pretty much right after the macro. That's my nigga TJR called it. You know what I'm saying? So boom. But then again, this may not always work for longs. You know what I'm saying? You could short London session. Like right here, we had hella bearish news. You know what I'm saying? War news, all of that good stuff. You know what I mean? So I say good stuff, all of that bad stuff technically. But anyways, pre-market, horrible. Then Sydney and Tokyo was jumping. You know what I'm saying? Move. London came up, manipulated these highs, and had to move. So you could have waited for your bearish engulfing candlestick, which you would have got right there. Or if you was, you know what I'm saying, trying to be greedy, you know what I'm saying, you could have entered at the first down candlestick because, again, London is always going to manipulate, whether it's to the upside or downside. It's going to manipulate. And New York is either going to continue or reverse. You know what I'm saying? And continue the overall trend that we had before London session because it happens every time. Boom. Chop, 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 chop. We spike up. Chop, 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 chop. You know what I'm saying? New York, it has the moves. Every move that you probably could be looking for would happen. I mean, I said New York has the moves. London has the moves. New York is just going to continue that bitch or reverse it. But every time, look, Sydney, Tokyo, lows right here. London took it out. Move up. New York, continue it. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over here. Sydney session lows again. London, manipulate it. Move up. New York, reverse. Who's that? Bullshit. I didn't show y'all again. Lows. Sydney session, Tokyo lows right here. What London do? Manipulate it. Move up. New York, reversed it. Now we chopping. Lows. London, manipulate. Move up. New York, continue. So it's like, I'm looking at this and I'm like, hold on, man. Does this need to be a new strategy? Can I buy it? Like, is this consistent? So I'm just going over the session times and I'm just looking like, again, we got Sydney highs, Tokyo highs. London, took them out. Move. What New York do? Reverse. I don't really know how else to put it. You know what I'm saying? You find the low points or the high points in whichever way that we was already going. London is probably going to flip that script. And then by then, shit, you could either wait for the New York to give you your confirmation on what it wants to do. Like right here, prime example. That bearish candlestick right there. And then we got this wick rejection right here. And then we had our move up. And it's also a sweep of some lows. You know what I mean? So it's just like, you just got to take what the market is giving you. And if you can't find a trade with your actual setup, London and New York session going to give you a setup just because of how they move and how, you know what I'm saying, price reacts when we get into those time frames, because that's when majority of everybody is in the market. Everybody moving around. Money is being flowed during London and New York session. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's when everybody get busy, get popping. So that's why I was like, maybe if I could just, you know what I'm saying, map out London session, see what it's going to do before it do it, I can hop in that bitch and, you know what I'm saying, take advantage of the whole move. Because that's, again, what I did. So I'm trying to tell y'all to, you know what I'm saying, not literally do the same, but like, do your own due diligence and see if it would work for you. You know what I mean? Because not everything is going to work for you. Keep in mind, London session for me opens at like, what is that? I got the thing right here, 2 a.m. So it's like, well, my chart setting at least. So boom, I'm up, staying up till 2 a.m. I'm looking at the London session, see in the first couple candlesticks, and then I'm waiting for my, you know what I'm saying, my confirmation. And if confirmation hits me, I'm taking it. You know what I'm saying? Whether that be to the upside or the downside. You know what I'm saying? You just got to adjust and adapt with what the market is giving you. Especially with my nigga Trump in office. Because you never know what my nigga going to say. What he going to do. And everything has a direct correlation to these markets. And it's actually insane. So, with that being said, man, do your own due diligence on this, man. And I think I covered pretty much everything, man. Like, it don't get no simpler than this. We got Sydney, Tokyo lows right here. London takes it out and immediately, you know what I'm saying, you get a move right back up. So it's like, and then even New York, I caught a trade off of the New York reversal. Like, you can see right there, it don't get no simpler than that, man. It don't get no more transparent. Right now, boom. Could have took that trade right there. A couple fair value gaps to back up your position. Another one right here. And we got a beautiful reaction out of that fair value gap. Boom, man. New York continuation. I'm just saying. Even right here, this was kind of the worst one. A couple highs right here. London came up. Boom, took them out. Had your move. What's New York doing right now? It looked like it's reversing. But today's Friday. I didn't really want to force a trade today. And I didn't wake up till like 11. I'm not going to lie. But I kind of needed that sleep. So, not really tripping. You know what I'm saying? Technically on the week, we're still break even, I think. Let me see. Let me see. I'm all alone. Nobody beside me. The past week, we up $40. It's better than being down. I ain't tripping. It's because we've been breaking even most of this week, I'm not going to lie. But, again, still a positive week. So, I cannot complain. Even though we should be up a lot more than that. Either that or I should be down a whole lot more than that. But anyways, man, I'm going to get off of here so I can try to get this, you know what I'm saying, download it and edit it for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed London session, manipulation, New York continue, or New York reversal. Remember that. You know what I'm saying? Whenever London and New York session is for you, just sit there and watch the time. You know what I'm saying? Watch the price action. You know what I'm saying? See what it like to do. You just got to gain market experience. I told y'all that's the only difference between you and your mentor, or you and the $1 million traders that y'all watch on YouTube. You know what I mean? They just been doing this shit for so much longer than you. They've been in the game longer, so don't compare your journey to theirs. Because, again, they got a different life than you, bro. Not everybody has the same circumstances you do. You know what I'm saying? So you can't look at somebody else's life and be like, okay, well, he did this, this, and that. So maybe if I do this, this, and that, I'm going to get the same results, when that most likely is not going to be the case. So with that being said, man, hopefully y'all like the video. Hopefully that you found this useful, because that's really the only thing that matters. But again, y'all like, comment, subscribe, tag in with me. You know what I'm saying? Follow the socials, because I'm going up. We're doing numbers, man. But I just want to tap in with y'all in this video, because I ain't dropped nothing in a minute. So here y'all go, man. My new, I won't call it new, but like my new slick strategy. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. But I'm going to get back with y'all boys in the next video.